Hi, I have an E9 error on my AEG induction hob. Do I need an electrician? Thanks in advance.
How old is the appliance? Have you gotten error messages before?
No, it's 2 years old. I was cleaning it and around the edges.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If it's not complicated.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Is it the circuit board?
Hi, my name is. I look forward to helping you. It will probably be able to be reset. Turn the mains off for a full 5 minutes to reset the electronics. Does the behavior change when power is turned back on?
No, still says E9.
Okay, that means that there's an error with the user interface board. Did you use a lot of cleaner/water to clean the top with?
No, but I lifted up the sides.
Do you think any moisture would have been able to run under the edges to get to the electronics?
Maybe it did trip the fuse. Should I call an electrician, do you think?
Oh, it did then, for certain. You will likely need to replace the main, high-voltage PCB. I would strongly recommend having this professionally repaired due to the complexity of the repair and the potential for damage during disassembly and electrical hazard. You can try placing a fan to blow under the top for a day with the power off, though. If you don't, I receive no credit for my work. The deposit you place stays with the site. You may post back at any time with follow-up questions. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.